Good morning! It's the first day on Lanzarote and I think the 7th day of our trip to the Canaries. Today it's gonna be a really nice day with another road trip. We're gonna see the famous green lake on the black beach. And then there's gonna be some more miradors and viewpoints, and I hope we're gonna end swimming in a natural pool finally. Our first stop was spontaneously at the side of the road, in a place surrounded by volcanoes. The different shapes and colors are impressive. Truly every one of them was different. And now, time to go to our main attraction for the day.
This is El Golfo, and it's a really bad idea to try to swim here.
Seeing that emergency crew, my first reaction was shock, but soon I realized that nothing bad was going on.
So it turns out, I hope that the lifeguards are doing some sort of a training session, because if somebody got caught in these waves, I don't think it's gonna be a successful rescue mission. Right above El Golfo is the mirador, from which you can see the green lake, which is one of the landmarks of Lanzarote. This is the green lake. I can't believe it's actually green. I always thought people like exaggerate the colors in the videos or something, but it's actually green.
The light was really shitty at that time of the day and there was a haze in the air, but the lake still looked impressive. Imagine how good it looks in good light.
So this whole island feels a little bit more touristic than Fuerteventura. There's a lot more shops, gas stations. The towns are kept in a better way. The houses are white, not off-white. We like it so far. Now we stopped a few minutes down the road at Los Hervideros for another viewpoint. For today I planned more sightseeing because in the first day we wanted to get the vibe of the island.
We had Los Hervideros on our map as a viewpoint for sea caves, but it ended up being a viewpoint for unhinged waves.
So, long story short, I chased the wave to film it. I stepped into a hole and I hurt my leg and now there's blood.
I'm as good as new, and now we're gonna see some
salt flats, I guess, or some salinas.
Welcome to Salinas de Janubio.
These salt flats are much bigger than the ones we saw in Fuerteventura, but there's no museum. However, you can get a guided tour on their website.
These salt flats are almost 130 years old, and they can produce an impressive amount of up to 15 tons of salt per year.
And now the moment I've been waiting for all day, actually I think from the start of the vacation, I'm gonna swim in a natural pool. I just hope the leg injury is not gonna stop me. So this is where we landed. There's a big abandoned building. I wonder what its story is. So we think that's the natural pool, like right here. The way down doesn't look that good, but I hope it's doable. So I'm not sure if this is a good idea, but technically it's not low tide yet. There's still 1.5 hours left.
And that's my boyfriend's opinion of this statement.
I'm not doing this. The natural pool was not a good idea. The ocean was really angry today. Maybe it's better and doable in a day when you have low tide and a very calm sea. But today it was not a good idea. I didn't want to have the second injury or worse. I don't have a death wish. So we're just gonna cut the day short, return to Arrecife, because tomorrow is a huge day, which you're gonna see in the next episode. Thank you for coming along. Don't forget to subscribe and see you soon. Bye.